there, happy Thursday and welcome to today's video. Last week I asked you guys what you wanted to see today and you said you wanted to see the outfits combinations of my summer capsule. So here we are. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome to you too. My name is Fernanda and you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can click the diamond over here to do so because we like to make the most out of our minimalist wardrobes over here. And before I get started, I have two quick housekeeping things to tell you guys. One, I somehow ended up with more items than I needed of one of the items in this capsule. So you want to make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I'm doing like a miniature giveaway of sorts. And second, I want to remind you that in these outfits combinations videos, I don't style the outfits at all. So I only use the 14 items that are currently in my capsule to put together different combinations, but I don't use anything that didn't come with the item. So I don't use jewelry or belts or anything like that. And if you do like outfit combinations video, then go ahead and hit that like button. It is the easiest way to support my channel and it helps other people find content like this that they like. So let's get started. days I would like to actually do the math to see how many outfit combinations you can get from a 14-piece wardrobe. Because the truth is that I don't even know what type of formula that would be. I'm not even that good at math. Or algebra. It would be algebra. Anyway, I digress. I hope you enjoyed all those outfits, and I did mention at the top of the video that I'm having a little giveaway. So here's the deal. Somehow I ended up with 3 additional pairs of the cheetah print shorts. There are these ones, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, and I've contacted Target about them, and they said, you know what, we have no use for them, you should keep them and do with them whatever you want. But I don't have use for 4 pairs of the same shorts, so I figured some of you guys might want them. So here's the deal. So I have 2 pairs in a size small and 1 pair in a size extra small. If you live in the US and you think some of those sizes might fit, then leave me a comment below with your size, and the first 3 people with the appropriate sizes to comment will get a pair of shorts, and it'll just be like as a thank you for watching my videos so early on. If you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who might like it, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Thank you so much for watching.